In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a portfolio item on Squarespace. I've recently just moved over to using a portfolio. I used to use the blog collection because I had so many projects, but I've cut it down. I feel like the portfolio area itself looks a little bit cleaner, and like the styles you can do look a little bit cleaner and require less code. But one thing that I had to do was make a template and then duplicate it a ton of times. And that was really helpful for me to like quickly get through. I think I've got maybe 20, 30 like case studies in there. That helped me condense that time frame massively. So if you want to duplicate items in your portfolio, this is the video for you. Every video this week, I've used my own site as an example, but you know, why not? So all we need to do is go into portfolio. And then once we're in there, we're going to find something that we want to duplicate. So I'll just duplicate the Dame Kelly Holmes item. I'll click in the three dots and then settings. And then if we go down, we can see duplicate here. So duplicate and confirm. The only thing with this is it goes live straight away. So go to the bottom and it's live immediately. I've got another video out this week talking about how to put this into draft mode. So you can do that. Go and check that out. But that is just one thing to note. Be ready to either put it into draft mode or just be ready to work on it right away. Hopefully you don't have too much traffic. If you do, definitely use the draft mode. So you can see it's in there. It's going to be called copy, I think. Let's see. Yeah, copy in there. And then I'll just have like a different URL, obviously. So really, really simple. If you want to move it about, you can drag like this. If you want to get rid of it, maybe you duplicate it by accident, who knows. You would just click on here, then delete again, and it's gone. And you can duplicate this as many times as you want, up to the item limit, which it's between 40 and 60. I'm going to get it wrong, so I'll give you a range. Anyway, that's how you do it. If you found that useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.